Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Candy Crush Saga. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Candy Crush game, and when you open it up, you will find the play button as well as my account. Just tap on my account and you will be shown your account settings. Now if you created your Candy Crush account using your Facebook, then you will not be able to edit your photo from here. But if you used a King account, then you will find an edit button which you can tap on to change your profile picture. If you used your Facebook, then the only way to change your profile picture on Candy Crush is to change your profile picture on Facebook. So just go ahead and open up your Facebook and then tap on your profile and then upload a different profile picture. As soon as your profile picture is changed on Facebook, just quit the Candy Crush game and then open it up once again. And once you do this, your new profile picture will also be shown in your Candy Crush game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture on Candy Crush Saga. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.